And many people will tell you that he is the best-selling author of Winning Against All Odds. Many people will tell you that he has spoken to students, business professionals, recovery communities. They'll tell you that he's helped thousands of people get off of drugs and find their identity again.
Addiction and overdose stripped me of all my ego, all my pride, humbled me to the bottom of the depth of the earth. I had nothing left. I had to build from scratch. And I think God put me in that position to shed away all that false bravado. Is giving up everything for one thing. But recovery is giving up one thing.
I have seen this man walk through pain that would break most people. And I have seen this man continue to keep his morals and continue to show up for others in a way that blows my mind.
But we are stuck in this matrix and not getting the fulfillment and the max capacity of what this world can really offer.
Is maybe the life that you didn't want to live is the story that someone needed to hear.
Because people make decisions from the avoidance of pain and the obtainment of pleasure.
Yeah.
Once you hit rock bottom, that's where it's so painful that the only way is up.
Is this making me loving? Is this making me integral? Is this making me strong? Whatever it is, ask yourself. Be intentional. You are the artist. That is my number one need in this world, is to make a difference, is to add value outside of myself. Because my story, although I took all this time to tell my story, it's not about me. It's about what God did in my life and what he's going to do through me to help so many other people that are struggling with the same things.
I tell you, this man is one of the most powerful speakers that I've ever heard. He's one of those guys where I would let him talk to my audience and just tell his story. His story does the heavy lifting. It helps people to see their excuses. And I just think this man needs to be on every stage, on every platform where people are going through challenges, difficulty, uncertainty, and they need true inspiration that isn't gimmicky, that isn't like for social media clips. So man, if you don't have Kevin Parker on your stage, then you're just missing out on one of the world's greatest speakers.
And so please give a huge round of applause to Kevin Parker.